last time.
Our lesson last time is all about independent clause, which is a sentence can stand alone.
Very good.
And also our lesson last time was about short clause, the dependent clause, which is a sentence that is not standalone.
We have our assignment yesterday, which is all about independent and dependent clause. Okay guys, so we're going to collect our assignment yesterday.
I have an activity here. As you can see, there are three sentences here. So, can anyone read the first sentences and tell me if it is independent or dependent clause?
I enjoy reading, and that is independent clause.
Correct. Sentence 2.
So the sentence number 2 we got here is when I was young. So which is I think it's dependent.
Correct. So, item 3 or sentence 3.
I love high school. I think it is independent clause.
Okay, correct. So, that activity that I gave you is directly connected to this lesson. Today, let's talk about simple, compound, and complex sentences. So, I have examples here. Example 1 here, she smiled. So, this is an example of simple sentence because it only has one independent clause. So, and then let's move on with the second example. She smiled and she laughed. So, this is a compound sentence because it has two independent clauses and one conjunction. So, the conjunction here is and. And it is connecting two independent clauses, which is she smiled and she laughed. So, let's move on with the third and final one, which is complex sentence, which mainly comprises of one dependent and one independent clause. So, she smiles when she is happy. So, as you can see here, the independent clause is she is happy, while the dependent clause is she smiles. While to wrap this up, can anyone tell me what was our lesson today?
I'm going to discuss the last yesterday lesson, which is the independent clauses. The independent clauses is about a sentence that stand alone. It's So for the complex, there is only one independent and independent.
Action.
Okay, for simple sentence, it is composed of one independent clause, and the compound, it is composed of two independent clause.
Close.
That's all for today. You are dismissed.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.